Okay, students, today we are going to see few formulas here. So how to write the formula. So while making the video, everyone note down. Okay. So one side you make a table column. One side on a top, and this side cat. So make a table column. On bottom, what you want to write is so like this. So make a table column everywhere. And cations and anions. Okay. So in first column, take chloride. Chloride. Okay. So what is the symbol of chloride? Chloride in the form of anion, Cl minus. So one. And next one, carbonate. Carbonate. The symbol of carbonate, CO3 2 minus. CO3 2 minus. You write out the name and symbol also. And next one, sulfide, sulfate. So sulfate is the anion. Sulfate is the anion. The symbol of sulfate is SO4. SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus. And next one, phosphate. Phosphate PO4 3 minus. PO4 3 minus. Okay. So these are to take anion. Now cation. In cation, take sodium. Sodium is a cation, no? So what is the symbol of sodium? Na plus. Potassium. The symbol of potassium, K plus. Next, calcium. The symbol of calcium, Ca2 plus. Cation. Magnesium. So magnesium, so Mg2 plus. Next, aluminium. Al3 plus. Al3 plus. So for this, by using cations and anions, you want to write the number of formulas, number of the compounds or molecules here. So already I told you guys. So in the formula, compounds and molecules. So first you want to write cation, and second thing is anion. So see first one here, sodium symbol Na plus, chloride is Cl minus. So by combination of cations, sodium cations and chloride cation, see here Na plus from chloride Cl minus. So what you want to write? For crisscross method, cations and anions are both combined and write NaCl. While writing the formula, no need to write cations and anions. NaCl minus. And next one here, same column, potassium. The potassium in the form of K plus. Potassium. Chloride, Cl minus. So not a number. So in this part you want to write on potassium and chloride, this cross method. So what you want to do? KCl. Potassium chloride. KCl, not KCl. KCl potassium chloride. After writing the formula, no need to write cations and anions. So when this compound or molecule dissociate, to give cations and anions. Cations and anions అనేవి మళ్ళీ ఇస్తాయి. Okay. So calcium. So what is the symbol of calcium? Ca 2 plus chloride Cl minus. Chloride is a Cl minus. So for crisscross method, you want to write first Ca calcium, chlorine Cl. So here number is different here. See here 2 calcium valence is 2 here, but valency of chlorine is 1 here. But here 1 cation, 1 anion. Number of cations, anions are equal. So here 1, here 1. Both are equal, no need to write. Here also sodium valency 1, chlorine valency 1. 1, 1 equal. But here the calcium valence is 2 and chlorine valence is 1. So both are different number. So what you want to do is while writing crisscross method, this 2, see here, that's why I am saying that crisscross. This 2 write the subscript for chlorine. 2 write this crisscross, write the subscript for the chlorine. But here 1 is there, 1 also write for oxygen here, for calcium. So but no need to mention here Ca. So 1 is represent 1 calcium. Even though you are not giving the number, so calcium 1. This means calcium is 1. Ca Cl2. So that's why while writing the formula, you want to remember the number of valency of the particular atom, cations and anions of the atom. So like that you want to. So now you write down here. See magnesium Mg 2 plus. Okay. Next chloride Cl minus, no? Chloride is the Cl minus. Just now I told you guys, for crisscross method what you want to do is first write magnesium cation means anion MgCl, but this 2 write as a subscript for chlorine. This 1 for magnesium MgCl2. MgCl2 magnesium chloride. Understand or not? So note down everyone. Next aluminum. For aluminum cation Al 3 plus. Chloride Cl minus. Chloride is Cl minus. For crisscross method, what you want to do? Al Cl. So 3 here. The valence is 3, but chlorine is 1. 1 write as subscript for aluminum, and for chlorine write for subscript 3. So AlCl3, aluminum chloride. Suppose the formula of aluminum chloride. See here, aluminum chloride. See here, I am asking write the formula of aluminum chloride. But how to write the formula of aluminum chloride you want to remember. So don't butti, AlCl3, don't do like this. So keep in your mind how to write the formula for aluminum chloride. See, for aluminum chloride you have to remember first the formula is the formula for cation. So aluminum, so in the form of Al3 plus aluminum lose 3 electron and get a positive charge, and chloride Cl minus. Crisscross method, what do you want to do? AlCl3. This is the crisscross method. So this is the crisscross method. So like this you want to write number of formulas. So no need to by heart చేయడం అవసరం లేదు. ఫార్ములాస్ ఏ ఫార్ములాస్ అడిగినా కానీ మీరు ఈజీగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేసేటట్టుగా మీరు ఉండాలి. సో So one more thing, I'm asking one more formula for you guys. Sodium hydroxide. See, sodium hydroxide. So write the formula of sodium hydroxide. Simple. What you want to do is, you first remember cations and anions. So in cations and anions, sodium in the form of Na plus. So Na plus, oxide, hydroxide, OH minus. So both crisscross method. So NaOH, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. So like this you want to write the formula of the all the compounds. So now, so by see here, now take sodium cations and anions in the carbonates. So these two combinations, write the one of the formula. Sodium, see here, sodium Na plus, carbonate, formula symbol of carbonate CO3 2 minus, carbonate, Na plus, sodium CO3 2 minus, carbonate. So by crisscross method, so what you want to do? Na first cations and CO3. So now here what? No need to write here. These two, write the subscript for sodium Na2CO3. Na2CO3, the name of Na2CO3 is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. The formula of sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Very simple. Suppose now I am asking the question now. Sodium sulfate. Write the formula of sodium sulfate. Write the formula of sodium sulfate. Simple, my dear. What you want to write? Sodium. Keep in your mind. Na plus. Sodium is a Na plus. Sulfate. SO4 2 minus. Suppose if you are writing SO4, suppose you forgot 2 minus, total formula will go wrong. So sodium Na plus, sulfate SO4 2 minus, Na plus SO4 2 minus. So by crisscross method, what you want to write? So Na2 SO4. Na2 SO4. So now by using phosphate, symbol of phosphate and sodium, so which formula you want to write? Sodium, see here, sodium phosphate, sodium phosphate. So what is the formula of sodium phosphate here? A symbol of sodium Na plus. In the formula, how to remember? First cation, then anions, PO4 3 minus, PO4 3 minus. So by crisscross method, what you want to write here? Na3 PO4, sodium phosphate. So you have now you have it down. So what doubt you have now? Oh, sodium Na plus. So why you are getting 3 here? Na3. So that's why I am writing here 3 minus. Write the subscript for the sodium. So number of atoms of sodium is 3. P1, oxygen 4. Phosphate PO4. Now you can write the complete formula of sodium phosphate. So once again I am repeating here. So now second next repeat. Potassium carbonate. Look at my dear. Potassium here. Potassium carbonate. See the potassium here K plus. Potassium is a K plus. Carbonate CO3 2 minus. Carbonate CO3 2 minus. Very simple, my dear. You don't need to worry. You first you remember here chloride. What is the symbol of chloride? Cl minus. Carbonate CO3 2 minus. Sulfate, the symbol of sulfate SO4 2 minus. Phosphate PO4 3 minus. That symbol you have to remember. Then all the formulas are very easy. Only next cations: sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and aluminum. So some of the cations are there. So we'll discuss later. And here K plus CO3 2 minus. Do you only crisscross method? So why you are writing crisscross method? For writing the valency, number of valency you are using the crisscross method. See here K, first side K, next symbol of CO3, KCO3. Suppose you are writing KCO3, is it the correct the formula? No. Sir, you only don't know. Oh yes, K is a potassium, CO3 is a someone writing KCO3 2 minus sulfide carbonate CO3 2 minus రాశారు కదా రాస్తారు. కార్బోనేట్ అనేది ఫార్ములా రాసేటప్పుడు పైన క్యాటయాన్స్ కానీ ఆనయాన్స్ కానీ నెంబర్స్ కానీ ఉండకూడదు. ఫార్ములాస్లో ఏమైతే ఆ నెంబర్స్ దేనిగా మారిపోతున్నాయి? సబ్స్క్రిప్ట్గా మారిపోతున్నాయి. క్యాటయాన్స్ అనేవి క్యాటయాన్స్ ఆనయాన్స్ రాకుండా దాన్ని ఇలాగ రాస్తున్నాం, సబ్స్క్రిప్ట్గా రాస్తున్నాము. డూ యూ రిమెంబర్ మై డియర్? ఓకే, నౌ వి వాంట్ టు నో ఇస్ దిస్ టు రైట్ యాజ్ ద K2 CO3 is the correct formula for potassium carbonate. Once I am repeating one more example I am giving here. Next here potassium. See here potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate. See my dear, potassium sulfate is the potassium K plus. The potassium K plus. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus. So for crisscross method, what you want to do is first write the cation K, first write the potassium K and sulfate SO4. KSO4, potassium sulfate, it is a correct formula? No. So after that, by using the crisscross method, what you want to do is this number valency number is 2. What is this one? Write as a sulfate K2, and here SO4 taken 1, not twice. Twice is nothing but 3. 2. Thrice is nothing but 3. Once is nothing but 1. Taken twice. Twice is nothing but 2. Thrice is nothing but 3. So now the formula of potassium sulfate is K2SO4. So next one, potassium phosphate. Potassium phosphate. Potassium phosphate. So potassium phosphate, very simple formula. So first what you want to remember? The form of potassium is K plus phosphate PO4 3 minus. You want to read PO4 3 minus. You don't read PO4 power 3 minus. You don't read like this. Okay, here potassium K plus. Potassium is K plus. Phosphate PO4 3 minus. PO4 3 minus. So first thing what you want to write? Side K. Next PO4. After writing the symbol of the potassium, symbol of the phosphate, no need to write cations and anions in the formula. Formula lo cations gaani anions gaani raayakudadu. Remember, we have to remember. Okay, so what you want to note down here? See here for crisscross, for this lines here, crisscross, write this power for subscript for the potassium, and here power you want to write the one only to write here K3PO4 is the potassium phosphate. So like this you want to remember the formula. And next one magnesium here. So here magnesium chloride is completed, and here magnesium carbonates. See magnesium, I am writing here magnesium and carbonate. So in the carbonate, so magnesium symbol what? Mg2 plus no? Symbol of magnesium Mg2 plus. Carbonate CO3 2 minus. Here what you want to do is to cancel here. Here 2 to cancel. Okay. Here 2 to cancel. What you want to do here? Why cancellation happen here? ఇలా cancellation ఎందుకు చేయవచ్చు అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 అనేది cancellation పోయేటట్టుగా చేయాలి. సపోజ్ 2 ని 3 ని ఉంటే చేయకూడదు. అంటే మనకి సింప్లెస్ట్ ఫార్ములాని రాయడానికి ఇక్కడ క్యాన్సిలైజేషన్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఫార్ములాని ఇంకా సింపుల్గా రాయడానికి క్యాన్సిలైజేషన్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో హియర్ 2 టు క్యాన్సల్. సో ఫస్ట్ వాట్ యు వాంట్ రైట్ magnesium Mg, next carbonate CO3 MgCO3 magnesium carbonate. But there is no need to write cations and anions here. But here 2 to cancel, here 1 no need to write, here 1 no need to write. So this is a magnesium carbonate. Next one more example for magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate. See in the magnesium sulfate, magnesium is a Mg2 plus. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. Sulfate. So here equal number of cations and equal number of anions. What you want to write? Cancellation. So 2 to cancellation. Next you want to write magnesium Mg and SO4. But no need to write here cations. Cations is one, anion is one. No need to write sulfate here. Mg SO4. Mg magnesium sulfate. Next magnesium phosphate. So magnesium phosphate. So what you want to write in the formula? Magnesium phosphate Mg2 plus phosphate PO4 3 minus. PO4 3 minus. Next one for Christmas MgPO4 Here you want to write number of cations are not equal here. This sulfate write as PO4 taken twice, Mg twice, Mg3 PO4 taken twice. So this is the formula. Next last one is aluminum. Writing aluminum. You write the formula here. See aluminum. So aluminum can get the cations Al3 plus. Al3 plus. How you want to write? Aluminum lose 3 electron and get the how many get the positive charge? 3 positive charge. So how you want to write this here? So aluminum carbonate here first one. Aluminum carbonate. So in the aluminum carbonate, the symbol of aluminum is Al3 plus. Al3 plus. Carbonate CO3 2 minus. CO3 2 minus. So for this cross method, what you want to do is, my dear, AlCO3. So for this class, Al to CO3 taken thrice. Next here, aluminum carbonate. So not visible writing here. I am writing here. Okay, so note down. I am writing here erasing. Cl3 and next Al2 CO3 taken thrice here. Okay, next aluminium here, aluminium sulfate, aluminium sulfate. So for this aluminium sulfate, what you want to do? Aluminium Al 3 plus, aluminium 3 plus, sulfate SO4, SO4 2 minus. So for Criss cross method, Al 2 SO4 taken thrice, and here next aluminium phosphate, aluminium phosphate. For this aluminium phosphate, what you want to write, my dear? Al 3 plus, PO4 3 minus. What do you want to do? The number of cations and anions are equal here. So cancellation for simplification 3 cancel here, and Al PO4 aluminium phosphate. Okay, we'll see some of the formulas you want to write here. So note down. First one potassium hydroxide. Write down. Write the formula of potassium hydroxide. This is the formula you want to write. Potassium hydroxide. And next formula, calcium hydroxide. Write the formula of calcium hydroxide. Next one, magnesium hydroxide. Write the formula of magnesium hydroxide. Next, write the formula of aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide. Fifth one, write the formula of ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. So in the formula potassium hydroxide, identify the anion. So anion is the first cation, then anion. So anion OH minus, hydroxide is the OH minus. The symbol of hydroxide is OH minus. Potassium, first group element. Potassium present in the first group element, and potassium lost one electron and get positive charge K plus OH minus. So what you want to do is, for this class method, my dear, KOH, potassium hydroxide. Next, calcium hydroxide. So calcium symbol Ca2 plus and hydroxide OH minus. Ca2 plus OH minus. So what you want to do here is Ca and OH. These two write as complete for according to this class method. One here and two here. Ca OH taken twice. Like that you want to write. Next, magnesium hydroxide, Mg2 plus OH minus for the Criss cross method. So Mg OH taken twice. Next, aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium what you want to write? Al3 plus OH minus. What you want to do in here? So AlOH taken twice. So ammonium. So in coming to the cations of the ammonium, NH4. NH4 is the ammonium, but NH3 is the ammonium. Ammonia and ammonium is different. Ammonia formula NH3 is ammonium అనేది if get ammonia is get the positive charge, then it is totally different. is called as ammonia, and hydroxide, which is minor. So what we want to do is